Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now you all about you all are know about the arithmetic. Now what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? It's a matter of doubt because there are few laws and few formulas are in arithmetic. So how we sure about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic is some specific uh, relations that could be proven between integers. So now what is the theorem? The statement of the theorem. Now we discuss the statement of the theorem. Statement of the theorem is any positive integer any positive integer is either 1 or a prime, or it can be expressed as a product of primes. The representation the the representation being unique except for the order of the prime factors. Sorry, prime factors. So now we know about the statement of this theorem. Now suppose let any positive integer 5. 5 is a positive integer and clearly it is a prime number. 6 6 is not a prime number and not a prime number, and it can be expressed as a product of prime. That means 2 into 3. Here 2 and 3 both are prime. So it is the fundamental consideration or conceptualize very basic theorem that tells about the nature of the integer, nature of the positive integer, and its multiplicative formations. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and there is no doubt this is the main structure behind the arithmetical calculations or further discussion about the higher possibilities of mathematics based on arithmetic. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. I hope you can clearly understand this theorem. Thank you. Enjoy.